using for some time an AI app called Humantic. As you can see from my LinkedIn profile, it provides the personality compatibility based on the disk profile of a person. So it just labels me, provides more information, educational level, experience. Some labels, I'm a ROI driven, precise, objective thinker. This is my disk profile, and also when cold calling, which are the best strategies, when writing an email, when qualifying or prospecting, and also when negotiating and closing. It also has some advanced insights like the ocean profile that you can see here. This is a very useful tool for sure. It's just a starting point when you are negotiating with somebody. So be flexible because remember, it always gets the information from the LinkedIn profile, and the LinkedIn profile maybe doesn't match the person, the real live person. But anyway, I wanted to create an agent that was able to replicate what Humantic does, and even more, maybe provide something like the Thomas Kilmann conflict management style of a person. What I did, I went on Cassidy. I use Cassidy AI as my tool to work on agents and workflows. So here you can see I have 4 agents. The trigger, the manual trigger here, is the LinkedIn profile of a person. The scraper, this is a built-in template in Cassidy that provided the LinkedIn profile will scrape the LinkedIn profile and provide all the information to my first agent, that is behavioral agent number 1. I also have set the temperature. I want it very deterministic. Remember, the temperature between 0 and 1, 1 is very creative, 0 is very, very deterministic. Then we move to agent number 2 that gets the information from agent number 1. And then again, it's very, very deterministic also. And then agent number 3, I provided slightly more creativity to agent number 3 because it's the one that will provide the output. Let me just go through each one of the agents just to show you better how they work. Agent number 1 is the one that gets the information from the LinkedIn scraper and will pre-scrape the data from an individual's LinkedIn profile and will identify an extra key information. And also will clean and pre-process the text applying natural language processing techniques. It just prepares the data for further analysis by agent number 2. And here you can see the full set of instructions. Then moving back, we can go again to the behavioral agents, and here is agent number 2. And agent number 2 is the data science and psychometric profile specialist. So it analyzes the pre-processed data provided by agent 1 and applies statistical and psychometrical models to generate detailed psychological profiles. And these are all the custom instructions, the system instructions I provided to the agent. And then we have agent number 3, that is the strategist and report generation specialist. It will use the detailed psychological profiles provided by agent 2 to craft actionable sales and negotiation strategies. It also structures the content. So let's go back to our workflow and let's insert my LinkedIn profile. So let's see what it says. See, the workflow now is running. The first agent, the built-in template in Cassidy, will scrape my LinkedIn profile, providing all the information to agent number 1 that will pre-process the information and apply natural processing language processing models to the information. And then we'll send this information to agent number 2 that will apply statistical and psychometrical models to the information. And that information will be fed into behavioral agent number 3 that will provide us with the output. So this is my name, my role, profile confidence score, interesting, the DIX profile, says I'm dominant and conscientious, That is quite in line with what, because according to Humantic, I'm more conscientious, the big five personality traits. But what is very interesting for me is the Thomas Kilmann conflict management style, collaborating with competitive tendencies, how to engage, leverage my strategic innovative mindset by presenting complex negotiation challenges, communication styles, negotiation strategy, and also finally insights that is something like a summary and implementation guidance. I also included a disclaimer because for sure this is just a preliminary work and the profile is generated based on LinkedIn data using AI analysis. So you never know. Very interesting what we can get and not very far from what Humantic is providing us. Again, we are just in a preliminary phase, but as you can see, we can build agents that can provide us with very useful information on the other party before a negotiation. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our newsletter in negoai.ai. Thank you.